I am Afraz. Today I will be explaining you how to do right angle triangle and left angle triangle using Python. First, let me show you the logic on how to do it. So let's move on here. Okay. First, I will draw a triangle and show you. So this is a right angle triangle from here. Angle in right side. In the, okay, take this as the output box. The output box size is here. The triangle will be near to the output box. So wait a minute, just a minute. Let's draw this one. Take the eraser and take this one. Oh, so this will be the output box. Near that the triangle will be here. So how will be doing the right angle triangle is we will be just adding the number of stars while going to the next line. So here there will be one star. This is a star. Consider this as a star. This draw it again. So this is a star, and while going to the next line it will add again to two stars, and now it will move on with three stars, and after that it will move on with four stars, and finally it will move on with five stars. Okay, so now I will first show you how to do a right angle triangle and then explain you how to do a left angle one. Just a minute. First we will make a for loop for I in, otherwise we will make for star in range 6. Okay, so that it will print a star in 6 times. We have to multiply the star with the star. Show you star into this star, the quotation star. Okay. Now what happens here is this star will vary from 1 to 5. Okay. First it will move on from 1. So first 1 into star is star. So that star will come here. 1 star will come here. Next 2 star, 3 star. I will show you. Sorry. Just a minute. Now as you can see, I have formed the right angle triangle. It moves from 1 to 5. When in the first line, the star will be 1. So that 1 into star is 1. After that, the star will be 2. So there will be 2 stars. Like that it will move. Now I'll explain you about left angle triangle. In left angle triangle, the space will be, first there will be 4 spaces and 1 star. Next there will be 3 spaces and 2 stars. So the spaces keeps decreasing and the star gets increasing. And I will show you how to do this one, this left angle triangle. For this, we will keep an same variable star is equal to 1. Okay, I will tell you why it is 1 later. After that, we are keeping another for space in range 6 comma 1 comma minus 1 for making it a reverse loop to minus from 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 1 to minus it. Now we will print the space. Print space into space. Now you will see what happens. Just, just a minute. If I will now print the star and show you. So I kept the value of star as 1 to make the star increase by 1 and 1. Star is equal to star into star into star. Now what I will do is I will make the star plus 1. Star is equal to star plus 1. So that the star will increase its value every time by 1, making the star going up and up. As you can see, the star value is going up and up, and the space value is decreasing. Now, our left angle triangle and right angle triangle coding work perfectly. Thank you.